Hey friends, it's your boy Daryl, and today we'll be unboxing some of the stuff that I bought online, and we'll be also doing a mini online haul. So without further ado, my friends, let's get into the unboxing. Unboxing time, let's go. So recently I did some shopping and I happened to come across this really beautiful looking oversized yellow color t-shirt. So the moment I saw it, I was like, I'm definitely getting this. So I decided to try the size out to see if it fits, and sadly enough, it didn't. So on that day I was like pretty sad because it's been a while since I seen something that I really like. So there were like two sizes, one in size 1 and the other in like size 2. So I'm always looking for an oversized kind of fit, and size 1 just didn't fit me the way I wanted to. So I decided to approach the sales assistant to ask if the stock will be available sometime in the future, but he was pretty lazy and a little hesitant to help me. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go online and see if it's like available down there. And luckily for me, the size 2 that I was looking for is available. And buying online was like $5 cheaper than the retail outlets. So anyways, this is a South Korean brand, Akumetilabi, or Akumetilavi, 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 Akumetilavi. And their main branch is in Gangnam. So if you guys are interested, I think they do have international shipping. And I just want to say that I'm not sponsored in any way. I just think that their stuff is pretty decent. So yeah. So let me quickly give you guys a quick 360-degree view of the t-shirt. So the front is really minimal and simple, and the back of the shirt is also really clean looking. And the best part about it is that it pretty much matches any kinds of jeans or shorts that you are wearing. So right here I'm wearing a grey colored polo shorts, and as you guys can see, it literally matches so well. Man, I just love this top so freaking much. And right here I was going for something a little more turquoise. It also matches really well. So all in all, I must say that I really love this t-shirt that I bought. Really happy and satisfied. Loving it. So I got this really e-boy looking kind of necklace for I think like $5 or something, because I think I'll need one of these in my future videos. And I've actually already unboxed this like yesterday, because your boy literally forgotten that he's filming an unboxing video. So I guess the only unboxing that I'm doing is taking this thing off. So let's do it. What? Okay. So oh? So is this thing like separated or something? Or am I like doing something wrong? So they are not like linked together or something? Okay, so how am I gonna wear this? So basically it's like a 3-in-1 kind of necklace. 3 necklaces for the price of 1, which is a pretty good deal to me, to be honest. So the first necklace that we got is this little cross necklace over here, which is really short. And the second one is just like a plain looking chain, I guess. And for the third one we have something that is a little longer, which kind of balances the 2 other necklaces. So let's quickly try this baby on and see if it's like suitable for me or not. First I'm gonna try on the longest one. Ta-da! Then the second longest one. Man, I literally thought that it wouldn't fit. And the third one over here is a little short, so I gotta unhook this thing and put it on this way. Man, This definitely has the e-boy kind of vibe that I'm looking for. 150%. Man, it kind of looks a little weird, to be honest. Don't you think? My friends, it's finally time to unbox the vinyl. So I'm looking for these two babies for a while now. Been to many of the secondhand vinyl stores, but I just couldn't find it. So I think the lesson of the day for me is whenever you can't find something outside, just look it up online and most likely you'll find it. So I've always been a huge fan of Gary Moore because his music is just so freaking amazing and it just resonates with me so much. So I bought two of his most famous albums. So the one thing which caught me by surprise is that the first vinyl which came is like a little secondhand-ish. Because I literally thought that it would be like brand new or something, but that clearly isn't the case for this first vinyl. I guess that is something to take note of if I'm buying online, so yeah, lesson learned. So I bought two of his most famous albums, Still Got the Blues and Parisian Walkways. This man can literally make his guitar cry harder than a baby. Rest in peace, Gary Moore. So since I don't have like a specific spot where I keep my vinyls, I decided to just place it on my display shelf to just like decorate it a little and just add some, you know, vintage kind of vibe to it. So my friends, we have finally come to the end of the unboxing. All in all, I'm really happy and satisfied with the stuff that I bought. So yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you guys on the next one. See you all my friends. Peace.